Hi, Miss Amilu. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Amilu Inojales. I'm 33 years old. I'm married. I live in Poroxan, Malabarbas. Poblasyon Pulang South Cotabato.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three kids, ages 15, 14, and 2 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
I'm my mother and my father and my husband and my brother.
How many siblings do you have?
We have six. I'm the fourth child. We are three girls and four boys.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I graduated in college.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, I have. In Saudi Arabia, year 2015 to 2017, I with the two members of the family, ages 80 years old and 25 years old. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and car wash.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I already finished.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have two tattoos in my left arm and one tattoo in my right arm.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to go abroad?
to earn money and to provide my family needs.
Are you willing to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, I'm willing.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
Yes, I'm scared.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
If they have tantrums, I will talk to them with a voice calm.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you get hired me, I promise to treat you as my family and to my own. And if you need me, I will extend my contract. Thank you.